Value and place value. What is the value of each toy? In other words, how much is each one worth? If we look at the teddy bear in the top left-hand corner, we'll see that the teddy bear is worth 80 Rand. The toy car, however, on the other hand, is worth much less. The toy car's value is only 29 Rand. When we look at the value of the underlined number in 23, which is the 2, we need to decide what that 2 is worth. Is it worth 2 or is it worth 20? If you answer 20, you are correct. Well done. What is the value of the 1? How much is it worth? Is it worth 10 or is it worth only 1? If you answered 1, you're correct again. Now I'm going to try and catch you out. What is the value of a 0? How much is that 0 worth? Is it worth 70 or is it worth nothing? Well, when we have 0, of course, it is worth 0. It is worth nothing. What is the value of a 7? Is it 7 or 70? Of course, by now you know that the value of a 7 in 175 is 70. What is the value of the underlined number? The 1. Is it 1 or 10 or 100? The number is 128. So the value of a 1 is, of course, 100. Well done. When we look at houses, for instance, we might say something like, which one is your place? What we mean by that is, where do you live? Now, place value tells us what the place of a number is. In other words, where does the number live? Does it live in the hundreds house, the tens house, or the units house? What is the place value of a 6 in 165? Will it be units, tens, or hundreds? Of course, the 60 lives in the tens house. So if I ask you what is the place value of a 6, your answer will be tens. What is the place value of a 5? I already showed you that the 5 lives in the units house. So what will your answer be? Of course, when I ask you the place value, you will answer units. What is the place value of the 1 in 180? The 1 lives in the hundreds house. So the place value of the 1 is hundreds. Well done. Now I'm going to try and catch you out again. What is the place value of a 0? The 0 is worth nothing, but it lives in the tens house. It is a placeholder to tell you that there are no tens. So your answer will be tens. Well done. You are very clever.